In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF to PPT on your mobile. So if you want a PDF to PowerPoint converter, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now you can download the third-party application here, ilovepdf.com. However, I always find it's slightly fiddly and it's best to head over to their website, ilovepdf.com. So once you're on the ilovepdf.com, come down till you find PDF to PowerPoint here. Then select this big red button, select PDF file. Let's select this PDF file here, press open. Then we want to select convert to PPTX. It'll quickly do it. And it should auto download onto your mobile. If it doesn't, press this big download PowerPoint button. You can see mine's automatically come up, so let's press download. Let's go to the files. Here it is. There you go. So that's how to convert a PDF to a PPT or a PowerPoint. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.